In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate full PowerPoint presentations with Manus AI. Now, this tool is actually super good for creating PowerPoints with just one prompt. So let me show you what I mean. Here, you want to go to manus.im/app, and then you want to, of course, sign into your account. And then once you're in here, you will get some free credits, as you can see. And then you can use these to actually create your PowerPoint presentations. So let me show you. You'll simply have to go in here where you have to assign a task or ask anything, and you want to type in create a PowerPoint presentation, there we go, about different dog breeds. Okay, so of course you can do whatever you want. I just typed in something completely random for this instance, and then you simply want to click on this button and let it do its magic. So as you can see, it's gonna start thinking, and then it should take like 3 to 5 minutes for this to actually create everything. So it's gonna open up like a side panel here on the right, and it's basically going to give you all the info on what it's currently doing. Now, of course, we are not going to wait for this to finish. I just wanted to show you how to do this, but let me actually show you what happens when this is completed, because I actually have a completed PowerPoint presentation over here on the left that I want to show you because it will blow your mind. Now here you can see in live perspective what it's actually currently doing. Now here it's giving me an error. If this happens, you can just refresh, basically, no big deal. But here previously, as you can see, I just created a PowerPoint presentation. Now it will basically go through over here. So as you can see, it will basically go from start to finish. It will plan everything out, create a file, etc. So you can just basically scroll down. This is going to update you in real time what it's currently doing. And then you can just scroll down, and at the end, as you can see, it's going to, of course, create it, and it says Manus has completed the current task. Now, here you can just see it on the right, so you can see the preview as well as the code it used to actually create this. And then inside the preview, I'm going to show you this full screen right now. This was actually created completely by AI. So it was actually, I told it to make a PowerPoint presentation about weight loss, and here's what it did. So here, this is actually the presentation it created. As you can see, it's filled with everything. It also has images. It has the most important, basically, text on screen. It also has some quotes and some fun tips over here. It shows you the progress bar at the bottom. It gives the sources, etc. So basically, it puts in whatever you could possibly ask. Of course, you could stylize this a bit. You can give it some backgrounds, etc. And of course, you could customize the fonts and stuff like that, change the images out in case you don't like them. But this is very, very good for it just taking a few minutes and actually doing it itself, because of course, the AI did all the work, all the research, and everything you could possibly want. So here, after you're done, you can just, as you can see, click on this button and you can download it as PowerPoint, PDF, or something else. And it's going to convert, and it's going to download to your computer, and you can use it for whatever you could need it. Okay, so again, just go to new task up here, and then you'll basically be able to just type in, so like I did over here, let me show really quickly again. I just simply typed in create a PowerPoint presentation about, and then you can give it as much detail as possible. You can let it know what you want it to be about. In case you have any specific requirements, you can put that in as well. So we can let it know, for example, I want it about this, this, and that, and I do not want that in there, and it's gonna, of course, listen to you and create the PowerPoint presentation according to your needs. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.